All right, so here is the result of the electrolysis process. It's still continuing, but it's going to be wrapping up soon. So you can see pretty much the end result here. If you look at the tubes, this is the negative electrode. You can see that the level of the water has dropped down to about halfway down the tube. And you need to ask yourself, is this empty space in here, or has something taken the place of the water? And again, go back to your formula for water, H2O, and think about what's occupying this area in here. All right, and you want to be recording on your student sheet 6.1 your observations for what is happening at each electrode. So this is your negative electrode, and this is your positive electrode. And if you look at this one, there's a much higher level of water still remaining in the tube with just a minimal amount of space being occupied by something else. And again, you want to think about your formula, what could be taking that place of where the water used to be. After you have written down your observations for number 1 for what you see at the positive electrode and the negative electrode, you're going to answer number 2. What do you observe about the volumes of the two substances collected in the tubes? Now, we're not talking about the volume of the water. We're talking about the substances that are being collected that are taking the place of the water in the tubes. So take a look at that closely and then write your observations for number 2.